Hi, I'm Pierre from Life Below Zero, Canada. Living in Yukon, it's kind of to be in isolation. I heard about the virus, of course. I listened to the radio, and I heard about you guys are kind of stuck at your place and cannot see many people, have to do social distancing. It's how I live here. It's interesting because it's the way I am all the time. I don't see many people but Kim or my girlfriend, and I feel for you because I know it's really important for human to be social and to go out and to do things together. And well, it happens sometimes to us. We stuck every winter. It happened. We stuck inside the camp, inside the cabin or the tent because of the weather. Usually, if it's minus 50 degrees Celsius, or if we have a snowstorm and we stuck for days, we have to keep doing stuff. We have to be healthy. And my advice is, take time to do stuff you like. Take time to read, write about stuff, write story. You like to tell people. We like to craft. We craft a lot. You have to fix traps. We have to fix snare, make snare. We do mechanics on small engine, and mostly we use our product from nature, our fur. I use this beaver. I will use this beaver to do mittens or gloves. I'm doing frost scraping now because today was minus 30 degrees Celsius and it's perfect for frost scraping. I put this beaver on the board. It's a beaver I caught earlier in the season, and board it with nail, stretch, and wait for minus 30 degrees Celsius or colder. And I take soap and I take water and soap and I spray it over the skin, and the fat gets soft, and I use a scraper to shave the fat off, and it make a really nice and smooth and clean skin. And I will dry the skin after that and tan it, and when it's really nice and tan, I can craft tuques and gloves and be warm for the next winter. It's a weird time for human now. I know you guys have to stay inside. Stay healthy, and hopefully this virus go away quick.